know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that.
Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, I have a double treat for you guys. We are not going to do one, but we are going to unbox and put together two backdrops. That's right. So I'm so excited to be doing this unboxing with you all. I want you to do me a favor and leave me a comment down below and let me know which backdrop you like the best. And how would you use them? What colors would you pair them with? I would love to hear your creative thoughts and ideas. I think it would be great for those who may watch this video later and they're looking for, ways to put this backdrop together from beginning to end and what colors could go with it. Think outside of the box. I would love to hear them down below. And I have a special gift for the one that I like the most. So the comment that I liked the most, I'm only going to give that comment a heart. So be sure to come back and look to see if that was your comment. And if it is, I have a special surprise in store for you. You're going to love it. So with that being said, let's hop into today's video. Y'all, I'm like a kid at Christmas when it comes to receiving boxes in the mail from Rose Morning. This floral wall, I think her name is Joan on the website, is absolutely gorgeous. Like, blush weddings are everything, and so I definitely wanted something to mix the white and blushes together. But if I needed to carry it over to the fall, I wanted the darker Marcella type color or strawberry type color as well. So I love the fact that now they're adding another element to their walls, and that is the Velcro in the middle. Now, don't get me wrong, it still ties, but it also Velcros as well, and I love, 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 love that. Look at how full it is. Now, there are a lot of walls that are out there, but you guys, they are not this simple to put together, and they are not this full. You can definitely tell that the quality is different. And with this one, you definitely get your return on investment. And speaking of return on investment, if you're interested, I will leave my code down below. Just put in my name, Melanie, Melaie, to get an additional 20%. Okay, let me show you guys this new feature. There is Velcro on the inside of this, along with the ties. So you can Velcro it together. And that Velcro is definitely a game changer. It makes the floral wall look extremely seamless, as if it didn't before. But I just like that, having that extra added layer of protection. This wall is so gorgeous, you guys. You're going to have a hard time determining or deciding which one you like the best.
I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I don't know how to.
Now, I do realize that in the initial videos that I did, I only showed you guys how we put the wall together, but I also wanted to show you how simple it was to take the wall apart. Now, the first thing that we did was that we both, took off the crossbar, and then after we took off the crossbar, we removed the panels and folded them up by folding it in half twice and then folding it again and placing it back in the plastic bag that it was shipped in. It was just that simple. Last week we had an event and we were able to break the wall down, go to the venue, set the wall up, and we were on our way. It took less than 39 minutes for us to do that. And yes, I know it was 39 minutes because I time everything. And that's one of the things that I teach in Lux Academy. I teach you the importance of, understanding your time, your setup time, your breakdown time, and all of those things, because it's imperative when you're deciding on what venue to go with and how to schedule your staffing. Now, next up, I am going to unbox this red floral wall. Now, there are several options on the Rose Morning website. You have posture, hot, and you also have one other one that I can't recall the name of right now, but they have several ones to choose from. I think it's Sella. But this one is the posture one. I loved it because I felt like it was something that could definitely transition from season to season. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to incorporate it in the designs that I have for this particular wall.
I can't forget you, you're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your vote down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas around it. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these backdrop walls, be sure to visit rosemorning.com and use code Melanie to save 20% off. You guys know I have you covered when it comes to those big savings. And again, these are walls that you can use over and over and over again. You can infuse them into all sorts of designs. I know I've used my grass and white one several times. I used it for a navy blue and blush wedding that you guys may remember. If not, I will link that video here. I just recently used it for a blush black and white wedding. I've used it at our ministry. I mean, I've probably already used that wall 4 or 5 times. And just by, renting the wall at least, 2 or 3 times, you're going to be able to make your return on investment. So again, visit rosemorning.com, code Melanie to save 20% off. And if you're interested in joining us for Luxe Academy, stay tuned because I have an important announcement at the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!